Hi everyone, welcome back to How to Geek. I'm back with another tutorial video, and today's video is about fixing your Snapchat login error. So sometimes you may land on a situation where you're trying to log into your Snapchat, but you'll see different forms of messages such as could not connect at the moment, or problem connecting to the server, please try again, or something along the lines of login error. But if you want to be able to fix this particular situation, there's certain things that you need to do, and you can always start from checking up your app updates. So for this, head over to either your App Store or to your Google Play Store. And as soon as you land on your App Store, on the search bar, type in Snapchat. And when you do so, you will be shown the app that's currently on your device. So here, my Snapchat has not been updated, so I'm just gonna have to tap on the update button, and in this way you can update your Snapchat in order to fix your login error. What you can also try doing is you can uninstall the device altogether. So here you can see my app is currently getting updated, but you can always long press the app and then tap on the cross button and then tap on delete, and then go back to your App Store and reinstall the app altogether. You can also try long pressing the screen lock button and then switching off your device altogether and then opening up the device again. You can also try restarting your device so that you try and fix your login error. What you can also do is go to the settings, and when you land on your settings, you will see an option that says general. There you'll see an option that says date and time. Make sure that your date and time is set to automatically. So here mine's currently set to automatically, so this can't be the reason why I'm not being able to log in. And if even that's not possible, what you can do is you can go to support.snapchat.com and then ask Snapchat support to help you to fix your login error. So these are some of the simplistic ways by means of which you can fix your Snapchat login error. I hope this video has been useful to you. If you found this helpful, do let us know in the comment section below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel, and also hit the bell notification so that you do not miss out on any of our future tutorial videos. Thank you for watching. I'll see you around next time.